everybody, it's Maribel and I am coming to you with a scrapbooking haul from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let me show you my goodies. So I bought a new pair of scissors because I found myself, I've been making masks, and I found myself using the same pair of scissors for my paper as well as my fabric, and I didn't want to do that because I don't want to dull my scissors, which I use these for scrapbooking. They're all dirty. I actually have two pair, and I love these. I got these from Tuesday Morning, but I just felt like I didn't want to use them for my fabric. And I'm planning on doing making more masks, so I had to get me another pair of scissors. And this was $14.99, but I got the 40% off coupon from Hobby Lobby. So I got that. Now I'm going to be making some of my own embellishments. So I thought I needed to get some more things to put on my embellishments. So here I have, which these will not be on my embellishment. These are happy face beads. I'm going to be making bracelets with my kids, and my son loves happy faces. So I had to get him this. And this was $2.99. It was not on sale. You get 25 beads. These are dogs, and you can use the button remover, this thing here, to take off the back of the button like that, and then you can glue it down on your paper or your tag or what have you for your scrapbooking. So that's usually what I do with these resin buttons. So I have these. These are dogs, blue, yellow, and gray. And this was $2.99. You get 6 of them, and it was not on sale. Here's another one that I got. They're just they are flower buttons. You get 36 for $2.29, and they were also not on sale. I got some black buttons, not on sale. And then this is not scrapbook related, but this is the Stretch Magic. Like I said, I'm going to be making some bracelets with my kids this week, and so I'm going to use that. This was also not on sale for $2.99. Okay, some scrapbooking stuff that I got. Now, everything that was Paper Studio was on sale. I believe it was 40% off. No, half off today. So this is by Paper Studios, and it just, has some sayings on both sides. Really family oriented. This is going to go in my COVID journal. Some nice sayings: live, laugh, love, dream. These could be used for any embellishments or cards or what have you. And that was $2.49, also on sale. This here has like a marine water type of puffy stickers, and there's 30 of them for $2.99 and 40% off. They're self-adhesive. And then, of course, you can never have enough hearts. So I got the hearts, 40% off. And there's 68 hearts in here. Then I got these puffy stickers that are dogs and cats. This was $4.99, 50% off. And so you have this, and it comes with 3 sheets. So you get those. These are more like puffy These are more the clear epoxy. And then these are just regular stickers. Very cute. Look at that. You can use that for a birthday. Really cute. So both dog and cats. Then this one is food themed. $4.99, 50% off. And you know, you have everything from ice cream to donuts and candy. You know, you can even do that as like coffee. So these again are more like the puffy plastic stickers. And these are just more the clear stickers. I love the donuts. Cute. And then you have your regular stickers. Very cute. My kids and I go out for ice cream quite a bit in the summertime, so these will definitely be used. And there's 94 pieces in that. Got lots of stickers. Here's some more food, especially in the summertime. You know, we've been doing a lot of pizza, hot dogs, and French fries. And this summer I'm doing a vegetable and fruit challenge with my son who hates fruits and vegetables. So, you know, I can definitely use the vegetable ones. And they are a puffy sticker. $2.99, 50% off. These are just silver stars. Some more hearts, but these are more of a clear, whereas the other ones have more glitter on them. 63 pieces for $2.99, half off. Now these are cute. We've been having a lot of movie nights as a family. So you know, that's popcorn, and it's got that glitter. I don't know if you can see that. 15 pieces for $2.99, 50% off. And then this is more of a fantasy, magical. You got unicorn, the little girl with the rainbow. 9 pieces for $2.99, half off. And then I bought some envelopes to make some cards. They're just white envelopes, but you can make the long cards. There's 25 envelopes in each. So I bought 2 of them for $4.99. They were also half off because they were Paper Studio. Oh, here's some more stickers. These are stars. It's cute. Oh, I really like the eye ones. Really cute. And then these have gold. I hope you can see these. I have to, it's nighttime here, and so I'm having to film this at night. Okay, then this is a school themed one. So you have calculators, you know, the clock, back to school, the schoolhouse, books, school bus. I mean, really cute. I can see myself using all these. $2.99, half off. So I kind of went sticker happy. But because Paper Studio was half off, I also got a package of white cardstock. And it was $15.99, half off. There was 200 in there. And then once I start putting together my embellishments, my DIY embellishments, I'm going to put them in these jewelry storage containers. I bought 2 of them. They were $2.49 each. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 compartments. And I bought 2 of them. Both of them were half off. And I got this really cute paper, and of course it's from Paper Studio. It was half off, so $19.99, so half off, so it was like $10. And it's called Tickle and Tweet. And you know, you can see the papers. Even if you don't like this paper, you can cut them out and make little banners. They are one-sided. Oh, that's cute. And it looks like they get, you know, doubles, or here's some birds. Looks like you get 3 of each page. That says flamingo. Flaming. Flaming. I don't know. Tweet. Let's see here. Then we got other page say. So you got 3 of each. There's some feathers. There's some flamingos there. That's cute. There's some flowers. Oh, that's cute. It's like a coral with gold in it. Pretty. Find joy in the little things. So the colors are like a coral, teal, green, and gold and black, and some white. Ooh, that has to be my favorite. Oh, there is also pink in there. This is my favorite. Ooh, that's cute. Really cute. I think this is perfect paper for my daughter, who she's not too girly. Oh, so cute. She's not too girly. She's going, you know, getting away from that. So, you know, all that cutesy stuff. She's not into it. She doesn't wear any of that kind of stuff. Oh, cute. Cute summer paper. Oh, I like that one too. So very cute. Again, this was half off because it was Paper Studio. And then, of course, I had to get some cardstock. It was 40% off, I believe, for their paper. So that was my haul at Hobby Lobby. Thank you for watching.